How to connect apps to your Zapier account. So this is going to be my third video in my series on how to use webhooks in Discord. My first two focused on creating and verifying your Zapier account. So for this one, what we're going to do is going to go ahead and add apps to your Zapier account. The reason I'm going to do this, so the first one I'm going to add is my YouTube account. Oops, I clicked on Zaps. I want my apps, not Zaps. So the first one we're going to do is the YouTube account, and then the second one we're going to do is the Discord account, because what we want is on the Discord account, we want a notification to appear every single time I post a new YouTube video. Make it easier for the people that are part of the Discord server to go ahead and click on that video. So from the sidebar over here on the left, after you create a new account, you'll be, of course, on the dashboard. Just go over here on the left hand side and scroll down to where you get to My Apps, and then click on that. And then from here, if you don't have any apps currently, it will of course say no accounts found. Create a new one using the form above. So you go ahead and click on connect a new account. And then from here, you can just go ahead and type in if you don't see it immediately in the drop down. So I'll go ahead and select on YouTube. That's the first one I want to grab. And then I'll go ahead and create this pop-up here. And then just go ahead and type in your email for your YouTube account. And the @gmail.com isn't necessary when you're signing into Google, but I throw it in there anyways. Okay, and then from here it should pull your account, and then all you have to do is then put in your password. Select on your actual channel, click on allow, and you'll see that your YouTube account is now connected. So now we want to add, of course, one more. We want to add the Discord. So we'll go ahead, and there it is accordingly. We'll just go ahead and click on Discord. And then we'll take you to the Discord login page. And then it'll log in and it'll ask you some permissions that Zapier can do, which is access your username and avatar, but it won't be microbrewing some local kombucha. So anyways, we're going to select the server that we want to add it to, and of course we want to add it to howtoal, the server that I have. Of course, if you have multiple servers on yours, you are going to want to select the correct one. So we'll go ahead and click on continue. And then confirm that you want to grant Zapier the following permissions on howtoal. So basically what you're going to do is go through all the roles in here and then deselect everything except for manage webhooks, send messages, and connect. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and select authorize. And then go ahead and select I am not a robot from the little CAPTCHA. And you'll see that your Discord has now been joined to your Zapier account as well. And that's how you add accounts or apps within Zapier.